Mass Plywood Panel, or MPP, is a mass timber product that is made by bonding thin wood veneers together in perpendicular directions to form large panels. Mass Plywood Panels are a relatively new product in the mass timber family. It has been developed to serve as an alternative to cross-laminated timber, with similar structural properties but with the advantage of being able to use smaller diameter trees. The company Ferris Engineered Wood patented MPP in 2015 and made it popular in 2019. There have, however, been earlier similar patents, including the ones in 2013 and 1999. Ferris Engineered Wood is currently still one of the biggest MPP producers, and they call their product Mass Ply Panel. In the manufacturing process, suitable wood veneers are carefully selected. These veneers often come from densely graded Douglas fir and get an adhesive applied and are then pressed together to form the large panels. The mass plywood panels can be manufactured with dimensions of up to 14.6 meters long and 3.7 meters wide. The available thicknesses start off at 5 cm and go up to 30 cm with increments of around 2.5 cm. MPP offers an incredibly high strength to weight ratio and strength to thickness ratio, which is similar to that of plywood. The alteration of the grain direction in mass plywood panels offers several advantages. It improves dimensional stability significantly, reduces edge swelling, and minimizes splitting when applying fasteners near the edge of the panel. MPP is suitable for use in tall wood buildings, where it can be used in conjunction with other mass timber products to create sustainable and structurally sound structures. The guidelines for using MPP in building construction are still under development, mostly focusing on performance under various climatic conditions. By utilizing wood as a renewable source and being able to use small diameter trees very efficiently, MPP promotes sustainability with its reduced carbon emissions compared to that of traditional materials. If you want to learn more about the different types of mass timber, follow the links in the description. And if you want to learn more about the world of mass timber as a whole, subscribe to this channel.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.